Hello and welcome to another episode of Current Affairs MCQ. Let's begin with previous day question. Consider the following characteristics of an island country. It is the third largest island in the Caribbean Sea. It is located to the west of Haiti and south of Cuba. It gained independence from the UK in 1962 and is a member of the Commonwealth. Which island country is best described by the above characteristics? Jamaica, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, or St. Lucia? The correct answer is option A. Jamaica is an island country of the West Indies and third largest island in the Caribbean Sea after Cuba and Hispaniola. It is situated west of Haiti, south of Cuba, northeast of the nearest point on the mainland, Cape Gracias a Dios, on the Caribbean coast of Central America. The national capital is Kingston. Jamaica gained independence from the UK in 1962 and remains a Commonwealth member. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Let's begin with today's episode. Consider the following statements about the Codex Alimentarius Commission. The CAC was established by the Food and Agriculture Organization and the World Health Organization in 1963. The primary purpose of the CAC is to set international food standards to protect consumer health and ensure fair trade practices. The CAC is comprised of 189 member countries including India, which participate in developing global food standards. The CAC exclusively focuses on regulations related to food safety and does not address nutritional guidelines. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 and 2 only, 1, 2 and 3 only, 2 and 4 only, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is option B. The Codex Alimentarius Commission was established in 1963 by the FAO and WHO. Hence, statement 1 is correct. The CAC's main objective is to develop international food standards to protect consumer health and promote fair trade practices. Hence, statement 2 is correct. The CAC has 189 Codex members, which includes countries like India that contribute to developing food standards. Hence, statement 3 is correct. While the CAC does focus on food safety, it also addresses nutritional guidelines and standards for special dietary foods, making it broader in scope than merely food safety. Hence, statement 4 is not correct. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Next question. Chatfield Committee, sometimes in news, is related to which of the following? Defense policy, agricultural reforms, telecommunications regulation, economic policy review. The correct answer is option A. The Chatfield Committee was established by the British government in 1938 to assess the defense requirements of India and make recommendations for strengthening its military forces. The report of the Chatfield Commission is held by the British Cabinet Office. It proposed a scheme to raise 5 flights on a voluntary basis to assist in the defense of the principal ports. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Next, consider the following features. In the late 18th century, the French imported slave labor from Africa and India to this island. The United Kingdom took control in 1814 after Napoleon Bonaparte's defeat. In 1965, this island became part of the British Indian Ocean Territory. Which of the following regions is best described by the specifications above? Seychelles, Fiji, Maldives, or Chagos Archipelago? The correct answer is option D. Chagos Archipelago consists of 58 islands and is located approximately 500 kilometers south of the Maldives in the Indian Ocean. The French were the first to colonize Mauritius along with the Chagos Islands in 1715. In the late 18th century, the French bought in slave labor from Africa and India to work in newly established coconut plantations. However, the UK took control of the region in 1814 after the fall of France's Napoleon Bonaparte. In 1965, the UK constituted the British Indian Ocean Territory, of which the Chagos Islands were a central part. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements about ultra-processed foods. Ultra-processed foods typically contain additives such as preservatives, artificial colors, and sweeteners. Consumption of ultra-processed foods has been linked to a disruption in gut microbiome health. Minimally processed foods include pre-packaged snacks and ready-to-eat meals. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option B. Ultra-processed foods contain additives like preservatives, colorings and sweeteners. Hence, statement 1 is correct. These foods can negatively impact gut microbiome health, hence statement 2 is correct. Minimally processed foods do not include pre-packaged snacks or ready-to-eat meals, hence statement 3 is not correct, hence option B is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements about National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. The NCDRC was established under the Consumer Protection Act 1986. It has jurisdiction over consumer disputes where the value of goods or services exceeds rupees 2 crore. Appeals against the decisions of the NCDRC can be made directly to the High Courts. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 2 only, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option C. The NCDRC was established under the Consumer Protection Act 1986, hence statement 1 is correct. The NCDRC has jurisdiction over disputes valued above rupees 2 crore, hence statement 2 is correct. Appeals against NCDRC decisions go to the Supreme Court, not the High Courts, hence statement 3 is not correct. Hence option C is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements about Gulf Cooperation Council. The term Gulf nations refers to a group of countries located in the Central Asian region. The GCC was founded to enhance collaboration, integration and connectivity among its member countries, drawing on their regional and cultural closeness. Iraq is a member of the GCC. How many of the statements given above is or are correct? Only 1, only 2, all 3, none. The correct answer is option A. The term Gulf nations refers to a group of countries located in the Persian Gulf region of the Middle East. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. The GCC was founded to enhance collaboration, integration and connectivity among its member countries, drawing on their regional and cultural closeness. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Iraq is the only Gulf country that is not a member of the GCC. Hence, statement 3 is not correct. Members of the GCC include Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. They all are the members of the Gulf Cooperation Council. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements regarding the effects of global warming. Global warming decreases weather predictability, reducing forecast accuracy by about 1 day per Celsius increase. Rising temperatures lead to an increase in the formation of atmospheric eddies within the troposphere that influence weather patterns. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2? None. The correct answer is option C. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities, primarily the emission of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. Global warming decreases weather predictability, reducing forecast accuracy by about 1 day per Celsius increase. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Rising temperatures accelerate the growth of atmospheric eddies, small-scale circulations in the troposphere which impact weather systems. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements regarding Uzbekistan. Exercise Dust Lick is a yearly event alternately conducted in India and Uzbekistan. Silk Road does not pass through Uzbekistan. The Tashkent Declaration was signed in Uzbekistan by India's second Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri shortly before his death. Which of the statements given above is or are not correct? 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 1 only, 3 only. The correct answer is option A. Exercise Dust Lick is a yearly event alternately conducted in India and Uzbekistan. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Uzbekistan is situated at the crossroads of the Silk Road. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. The Tashkent Declaration was signed in Uzbekistan by India's second Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri shortly before his death. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements regarding judges of the Supreme Court and High Court. The judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President under Article 124 Clause 2 of the Constitution. The salaries, pension and allowances of the Supreme Court judges and pension of a High Court judge are charged upon the Consolidated Fund of India. Which of the statements given above is or are not correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, none. The correct answer is option D. The judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President under Clause 2 of Article 124 of the Constitution. The President consults with judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts to make informed appointments. Hence, statement 1 is correct. The salaries, pension and allowances of the Supreme Court judges and pension of a High Court judge are charged upon the Consolidated Fund of India. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements regarding rabies. Rabies is caused by a DNA virus present in the saliva of infected animals such as dogs, cats or monkeys. Human-to-human transmission of rabies is more common than transmission from animals. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2? None. The correct answer is option D. Rabies is a vaccine-preventable, zoonotic, viral disease caused by an RNA virus present in the saliva of a rabies animal such as dogs, cats or monkeys. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. Rabies is primarily transmitted from animals to humans, not from person to person. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. India accounts for 36% of the world's rabies deaths, causing 18,000 to 20,000 deaths annually, with 30 to 60% of cases occurring in children under 15 years old. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding permafrost. Permafrost is a combination of soil, rocks and sand held together by ice. A 2022 NASA report states that Arctic permafrost contains 1,700 billion metric tons of carbon, 51 times the 2019 global fossil fuel emissions. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2? None. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.